Hello students, standard 8, divisibility by 2. Here are the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. We see that a natural number is even if its one digit is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. A number is odd if its one digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Recall the test of divisibility by 2 learn in class 6, which is as follows. If the ones digit of a number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is divisible by 2. The explanation for this is as follows. Any number CBA can be written as 100C 10B plus A. The first two terms, namely 100C 10B, are divisible by 2 because 110 are divisible by 2. So far as A is concerned, it must be divisible by 2 if the given number is divisible by 2. This is possible only when A is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, then try this. So try this. Start if the division n divided by 2 leaves remainder 1, what might be the ones digit of n? N is odd, so its ones digit is odd. Therefore, the ones digit must be 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Okay. If the division n divided by 2 leaves no remainder, that is 0 remainder, what might be ones digit of n? तो इसका आंसर हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? कोई भी रिमाइंडर नहीं रहता तो इवन नंबर ये 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 हो सकता है, राइट. सपोज दैट द डिवीजन n divided by 5 leaves remainder 4 and the division n divided by 2 leaves remainder 1. What must be the ones digit of n? Okay. तो यहाँ पर लिखा है n डिवाइड बाय 4, तो रिमाइंडर बचता है 4. ओके, तो ये केस कब हो सकता है? एक तो 4 लास्ट डिजिट हो या तो 9 हो. ओके, और अंदर लिखा है दूसरा n डिवाइड बाय 2, तो रिमाइंडर बचता है 1. अगर यहाँ पर 4 लिया है हमने, राइट, तो उसमें 1 रिमाइंडर नहीं बचेगा. तो 9 अगर है तो 9 डिवाइड बाई 2 करेंगे तो रिमाइंडर 1 बचेगा. तो सही आंसर इसका क्या होगा? 9. कि कोई भी नंबर है उसको अगर 5 से हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो रिमाइंडर 4 बचता है. तो वही नंबर, राइट, तो वही नंबर को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 1 रिमाइंडर कब बचेगा? जब उसका यूनिट डिजिट क्या हो? वंस डिजिट 9 हो. ओके, तो ये ट्राई दिस भी आपको आपकी नोटबुक में लिख देना है. सही आंसर 9 है इसका. ओके, और ऊपर वाला भी मैंने बताया था 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. ओके, देन डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 9 and 3. Look carefully at the 3 tests of divisibility found till now. For checking division by 10, 5, 2, we see something common to them. They use only the ones digit of the given number, right? They do not bother about the rest of the digits, right? तो 5, 3, 10, 10, 5 और 2, ये तीनों में हमने देखा कि ये उसमें हम सिर्फ यूनिट डिजिट ही देखते हैं, लास्ट डिजिट ही देखते हैं. दूसरी डिजिट, वंस डिजिट के अलावा कोई डिजिट के बारे में सोचते नहीं है. Thus, divisibility is decided just by the ones digit. 10, 5, 2 are divisors of 10, which is the key number in our place. But for checking divisibility by 9, this will not work. Let us take some number, say 3, 5, 3, 7. तो its expanded form is 3 into 1000, 5 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 3, या तो हम लिख सकते हैं 3 into 999 plus 1 plus 5 into 99 plus 1, right, plus 7 into 9 plus 1 plus 3. ओके, तो 3 into 999 plus 5 into 99 plus 7 into 9, राइट. फिर 3 वन जा अलग लिखते हैं हम, 3 वन जा 3 लिखा, 5 वन जा 5 लिखा, 7 वन जा 7 लिखा plus 3, right. We see that the numbers 3573 will be divisible by 9 or 3 if 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3 is divisible by 9 or 3. We see that 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 18, divisible by 9 and 3 also by 3. Therefore the numbers 3573 is divisible by both 9 and 3. Okay, now let us consider the number 3576 as above we get. So 3579 is equal to 3 into 999 plus 5 into 99 plus 7 into 9 plus 3 plus 7, 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6. Since 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6, that is 21, is not divisible by 9 but is divisible by 3. Therefore 3576 is not divisible by 9. However 3576 is divisible by 3. Hence a number n is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. Otherwise it is not divisible by 9. A number n is divisible by 3 if the sum of digits is divisible by 3. Otherwise it is not divisible by 3. If the number is CBA, then 100C plus 10B plus A, that is equal to 99C plus 9B plus A plus B plus C. फिर ये दोनों केसेस में हम देखते हैं 99C प्लस 9B, तो 9 इंटू 11C प्लस B, ये दोनों में से हमने 9 कॉमन निकाला, तो 9 11 जा और 9 1 जा, राइट. 9 कॉमन निकाला तो B प्लस A प्लस B प्लस C, divisible by 3 and 9. Okay, then hence divisibility by 9 or 3 is possible if A plus B plus C is divisible by 9 or 3, राइट. कोई भी नंबर 9 और 3 से तब डिवाइड होगा जब उसके सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स डिविजिबल बाय 9 और 3 होगा. चेक द डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 2 4 2 1 4 3 6 5 8 7 by 9. The sum of the digits 2 1 4 3 6 5 8 7 is 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7 is equal to 36. This number is divisible by 9. For 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4. We conclude that 2 1 4 3 6 5 8 7 is divisible by 9. We can double check 2 1 4 3 6 5 8 7 divided by 9. So 2 3 8 1 8 4 3, right. The division is exact. Check the divisibility of 152875 by 9. So sum of the digits 152875 is 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 28. This number is not divisible by 9. So we conclude that 152875 is not divisible by 9. मतलब sum of the digits is 28. 28 is not divisible by 9. So given number is not divisible by 9. तो try this next video में करते हैं. Okay.